hey guys, this is a little different Wednesday walkabout than we normally have. I am still in the hospital, and let me explain that a little bit, because so many of you have been a little bit confused, because we've been putting up some of our old fall videos that you can access. They're on the fall season playlist. Fall, what's it called, Stewart? Fall
Garden Mix.
Fall Garden Mix, and you can see those, because a lot of those I think are still relevant right now. So we've been putting those up, but I digress. So let me tell you just a little bit about what's going on. I think some of you knew that when I was in Singapore, I started to not feel great. And the shortened version of this whole kind of health journey is that I have had diverticular disease for about 20 years. It's hereditary. Seems like everybody in my family has it. It's something that can be controlled, and I've controlled it for 20 years. But I think that long trip to Singapore finally did it. And I went to the doctor when I got home. I had a CT scan, and before I even got home, the doctor's office called and said, you need to go directly to the emergency room. So I did, and I had surgery on, now my days are getting mixed
Monday,
up.
right?
On Monday. No, it was, I can't remember now, because not only am I a little foggy from being in the hospital, but I'm also still foggy from Singapore. So all my days are mixed up. At any rate, will be my 8th day in the hospital, but the good news is I get to go home tomorrow. And I'll explain that. I'll explain it all in depth a little bit more, but mostly I wanted to hop on and say how much I appreciate all of your kind comments and your love and concern and the prayers that you are sending my way. I so appreciate it. But as I've lined here and watched some of the devastation that's going on with Ian, I'm the lucky one, because it could be far worse. So I am still recovering, and it'll take a while for me to get back to 100%, but I have been assured that I will get back to 100% in short order. Now, a number of you also asked if I was or will be able to attend my sister Meg's wedding, and it is one of the big tragedies of all this is I won't be able to go to her wedding. I am heartsick about it, because it was not only going to be an opportunity for me to see her get married, but also to see some brothers and sisters that I haven't seen in a very long time, and other family members. But on the bright side, I got the surgery done. It needed to be done. And going forward, I should be a lot healthier and not constantly complaining to Stewart that my tummy kind of hurts today. So that's kind of what's going on. I don't want to go into too much gory detail or anything, but I am fine. I do want to give a shout out, and I'm going to do some very individual shout outs a little bit later. But I'm at Mercy Hospital in Oklahoma City, and the care has been amazing.
That's awesome.
Simply amazing. And that's another reason I wanted to hop on, because I am humbled by how hard these people work, by their expertise, by their knowledge, and truly by just the fact that nursing is just such a fabulous profession, and they are real pros around here. So that's all I'm going to say.
Well, don't forget to tell them about Singapore is coming up.
Oh,
We're going to
Stewart.
have that video.
Okay, Stewart said that, and I haven't even seen it yet.
Oh, yeah, she hasn't seen it
I
yet.
haven't seen it yet. He put a bunch of stuff together from my Singapore trip, and I think he's going to put some kind of special together for you guys to watch. And hopefully, like I say, I'll be back in the garden pretty soon. I'm anxious to get out of this hospital and get back to my garden. So there you go. No outfit of the day today. I'm just kind of hanging in there, and I'll be, like I say, I'll be happy to get back into the garden, get back up to fighting condition, and I'm sure between my trainer and being able to eat a normal diet, that will happen in short order. So love you guys. Thank you so much for all your care and concern.